I'm Christopher Lowe, President at Ridge Global and Chief Risk Officer for Risk Cooperative. Today on Risk Matters, we'll talk about what keeps me up at night, why it matters, and what you can do about it. So what keeps me up at night? GDPR. That's not an acronym for a profane phrase, although it may soon be for many business leaders. GDPR is the Global Data Protection Regulation being promulgated by the European Union. See, the GDPR framework was adopted in 2016 to protect the privacy and data of EU citizens, but compliance doesn't go into effect until May of 2018. With that 2-year window, I'm concerned that many companies have put off an evaluation of GDPR's impact on their business, and therefore they're not prepared, and time is running out. So why does it matter? Well, let's say that your company does business in the European Union and you maintain data on citizens of any EU member nation. If you sustain a cyber breach, putting EU citizen data at risk, or you're out of compliance with GDPR privacy standards, your company could face fines of up to 4% of your global turnover, or 20 million euros, whichever is higher. Now, for large cap companies, that's a brand and financial disruption that hits the bottom line. But for small and mid cap businesses, it could be catastrophic. So what can you do about it? With potential consequences this great, it's a leadership issue and the latest test of a company's ability to manage enterprise, cyber, and data protection risk. If you're the CEO or a board member for a company doing business in the EU, you should have already had discussions with your IT security, legal, compliance, and government affairs teams about your GDPR readiness. If that's not the case, now is the time to understand the kind of data you possess and what your GDPR compliance requirements may be. If you need help preparing for or mitigating your GDPR risk, don't hesitate to call us at the Ridge Global Risk Cooperative team. May of 2018 is closer than you think.